This video is about how teachers and students can access the tutorial videos inside of NextGenMath. By clicking on the Standards Practice tile, we come to the grid. Be sure and select Online, and then select any tile that has a film reel next to it. Once that's been selected, a practice question appears, but we also have the procedural lesson. By clicking on that procedural lesson, a video appears. Now with this video, you can simply play the video. You can also copy the link. Why is that important? You may want to place it into another popular platform such as Google Classroom. And so by clicking on Create, here's my new assignment, second grade OA form STEM 1, and I'm going to add the video. And the video has been added. Next, I'm going to add an assignment to my Google Classroom. So inside of Assignment Bank, I've already created my second grade OA4 assignment. Next, I can also create the assignment that I want students to do inside of NextGenMath by clicking Add, adding a link. And the assignment section has been linked. So in my instructions, I'm going to ask the kids to watch the video and start the assignment. And so now the student can access the video ahead of time and then begin the assignment. There's second grade OA4, and then select Start, and the student can begin that assignment. The student can move through the assignment using drawing tools and submitting work, which will be saved and viewed in assignment data. Once the student completes an assignment, they can see exactly which questions they got correct, which ones they've missed, but they also have the ability to select the procedural lesson or the conceptual lesson video to further reinforce their learning. Students also have the ability to click on practice questions if they wanted to work on more questions, and then procedural lesson is also up in the upper right-hand corner. Another way students can access videos, for instance, from their assignment page, they can go up to grades and choose their grade, such as second grade. They also have the tiles. And so they could click on Standards Practice, and any tile that has a video on it, students could access and do practice problems along with accessing a video tutorial. So two ways in which to access the videos. One way is within NextGenMath in the manner in which I've shown you. And then the other way is that if you'd like to link it into a popular platform like Google Classroom.